guys, welcome to a day in the life. It's a little bit later in the day. I usually pick up the camera first thing in the morning when I film a day in the life, but I had to clean because we had a lot of friends over and I really wanted to just concentrate on that. And when I post cleaning videos, you guys don't normally like them. So I decided to just clean on my own today and get caught up so that I can pick up the camera and take you along through the rest of the day. But I'm really excited because this video is sponsored by Gap, and I'm gonna do a quick, fun mommy try-on haul for you guys before I pick up the kids from summer camp and go about our day. I think we're gonna go to the park or maybe do some pool. I wanna take them to get something to eat. So we're gonna be taking you guys along throughout the rest of our fun summer day. But let me show you the new clothes that I got for Mama because I want to be comfy and I want to be cute, and yeah, I love Gap, so I'm excited to show you. Okay, this is the first item that I wanted to show you. These are some really cute terry cloth mom shorts that are super covering because I need that because I got that mom pouch for sure. This is a terry cloth fabric, so this is going to be worn like when I get out of the pool because it's super absorbent and really comfy, like a towel. Like, who needs a towel? These are super cute. And then I got this really colorful oversized terry cloth sweatshirt. It's the same fabric, really soft, really absorbent, but I love how this got this like mint and peach ombre vibe. I think it's really cute. And wait, I got a white one. Let me show you that one. Okay, here is the white one, really cute. I can wear this white one with anything, even with like jeans, jean shorts. Ooh, I like that. I really like that. All right, so these workout biker shorts I got are really stretchy and they are super comfortable. They hold everything together, but then they're stretchy and they let me, like, you know, exercise because I don't exercise. I really need to. I'm going to show you some tank tops that I got. I got 3 of them. I got a black one, this nudie light brown peachy type color, and they also got a light gray one. Both of those are in the wash right now because I wore them yesterday. I got these clothes a couple days ago and I couldn't wait, so I did throw on some things and wear them the last couple days because I was really excited. But I wanted to show you before they get lost with the rest of the clothes in the closet. Really cute. Love these tank tops. I want to go back and get more. Didn't think I would like this, but I do, so I want to get more. The Gap brand are originators and champions of a uniquely radical and optimistic sense of American style that bridges the gaps between individuals, generations, and cultures. Dedicated to being a force for good by creating sustainable change, so clothing pieces are made responsibly and with respect to the planet. Every time I buy something from Gap, I just think this is totally worth it. The quality is so amazing. It is built to last. It is definitely a hand-me-down quality type of brand. Super versatile, from sleep to beach to athletics to leisure, swim shorts, swim bodysuits, playful proportions, ease to easier. In my opinion, a Gap denim is just like the best. It is the most highest quality. I have had the same pair of jean shorts for, I don't know, since maybe high school. I'm not saying they fit still, but the quality is amazing. Like I said, quality, durability, sustainability, fabrics, hand-me-down worthy. Gap has really been consistently a great place to shop if you want your clothing to last. All these Gap pieces are really well made. They have extra lining, and not to mention Gap is dedicated to creating sustainable change, so clothing pieces are made responsibly and with respect to the planet. You can shop any of these pieces down below in the description box. I will go ahead and put all the links for you guys. Thank you to Gap for sponsoring this video. All right, I really gotta get going with the tasks I need to do for the rest of the day. That was a really fun little try-on haul, but I'm just gonna have some lunch. I'm having some leftover barbecue chicken pizza with bacon and red onions on it. We ordered pizza last night for the kids because I was exhausted from having a fun weekend, so we always like do a pizza nightcap so that mommy doesn't have to cook before Monday, because Monday is like my super productive day where I film and get things done. But I want to talk to you guys about the house. So a lot of people have been asking us to do like a updated home tour with all the decor and everything that we put into the house since we moved here to Vegas 1 year ago. But honestly, we haven't done much. I mean, yes, we put furniture in and I've got some plants and things like that, but there's like barely anything on the walls. So my friend and I went up to some of the model homes in the area yesterday, and I took lots of pictures and I got some really good ideas. I'm excited because I have a plan of action. There are things that I want to do in the buffet area, and we want to put shelves, and I think it would look really, really nice. I also want to install a fireplace. I know that's really expensive. I don't know how expensive it's going to be, so that's probably not something we're going to be doing maybe this year. I would love to have it done before Christmas because we do not have a fireplace in the house currently, and I want to be able to have a fireplace to hang stockings and have that for the kids, that we don't have to explain how Santa gets in the house and all that. So that's definitely a goal, and I was thinking of matte black tile. My friend wants to do the same thing, but I think she's going to be doing like black shiplap. But me, I think I want to do like a matte black, big, rectangular, subway style tiles. I think that would be really cool and modern and bold. I normally would not do a black fireplace. I was thinking white all along, but when I saw that look, I fell in love. It was just so... It was such a bold statement, and I think it would really look gorgeous with a lush green tree with like gold and red and green ornaments on it. I'm really excited for Christmas, guys. It's only June. Anyways, you guys want me to share like our journey of how I update and make the downstairs more of at home and do a little construction? Because yeah, it's definitely big stuff. It's not like hanging pictures. It's definitely going to need some, we're definitely going to need some help. I got about an hour and a half before I have to jump in the car and pick up the kids from summer camp, and then I'm going to dedicate some time with them and just having fun, giving them a snack and such. So I really want to make sure I get this backyard cleaned up. We had a lot of friends over the weekend, and we've got burger juice and watermelon juice and lots of dust from the construction that's nearby. So I'm going to give my rug a quick vacuum and wipe things down and try to get some of the stains out of the outdoor cushions. It looked really clean from this angle actually, but it's super dusty and there's lots of stains like juices and Capri Sun that was dripped on it from 7 kids that were here this weekend. It is a ruggable, so I think that this weekend I will probably pop it in the washer, but vacuuming it is going to be good enough for now. This picnic bench, you guys have heard me talk about it before. If you follow me, I'm obsessed. I want to get a second one and put it right next to it and make this bigger. It's from World Market. So I think tomorrow I'm going to be heading over there to see if I can grab another one. The kids left so much stuff in the pool, so I want to make sure I just kind of get it out, because sometimes it can interfere with the in-floor cleaning system and it doesn't get as clean. So I'm going to get these out, throw them in the little outdoor bin we have here, rearrange some things, and then we're good to go. I had to show you guys this real quick because I thought it was so adorable that all the kids have been doing their initials and coloring and just being super creative on our brick wall here. A lot of times the kids will like completely fill the driveway, but I thought it was really cute that they did it here so we can kind of enjoy it in our backyard space. The grill is one of those things that I always overlook cleaning because it's such a big task. Ed wants to go ahead and clean the grill inserts like really well when he gets home from work. He's going to soak them, but for now I'm just going to kind of wipe down all the dust and make sure that it's covered so the sun is not beating on it, because Vegas is hot. It's going to be 115 degrees today, so I want to make sure that we protect it as much as possible. It's so hot outside. I went ahead and just quickly marinated some chicken thighs. They look really good. I love, can you see it? I love this marinade. It's soy sauce, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, and sriracha. I think that's it. I think I put a little bit of oil in it because it helps like crisp it up and put it all together. But that's gonna be really good. This is gonna be marinating for like 5 or 6 hours. And then we're gonna barbecue it later. But it is time to go get my kiddos, give them a snack, and Yeah. I don't know if they want to swim or if they want to do park. We'll see. All right, everybody's shoes off. Everybody's shoes off. We really need to organize this area. It's like getting out of control. Hi, baby.
Hi, baby.
Oh my goodness. Okay, put your shoes away. Oh my gosh, it's so hot outside. Put your stuff away. Not right this moment because we have to take the girls to gymnastics. Go ahead and put your water bottles. Kaya is so happy. Hi, Kai. Put your, fill your water bottles up. Put them back in the fridge for tomorrow. And then we're gonna get a snack and then get in the car. Or maybe we'll get a snack. Maybe, yeah, Daddy's gonna be home any minute, so you can stay home with him. So you can have a snack here. Okay?
So I'll wait for a second.
Yes. You need help? Okay, after you fill it up, go get your
It's not broken.
I know. Gymnastics, yes.
Guys, every time when I was trying to give Kaya...
I didn't cook anything, so I don't know what smells good.
Guys, when I was trying to give Kaya a kiss, she would just keep following me. My nose. I'm trying to give her a kiss on her forehead.
Okay, Vea, fill up your thing. Put your gymnastics on.
Okay.
All right, thank you. All right, we are back at the house. The girls had gymnastics, and the kids are just chilling here. Hi.
Hi.
This is my son, Ace. What are you doing? Watching YouTube? Oh my goodness, every adolescent boy's dream. This is Lily. Hi, Lily.
Hi.
So the girls went to gymnastics and we are home. It is 5 o'clock and I'm getting dinner started. I marinated that chicken earlier, so that is in the oven. It is looking really good. I'd say about maybe like 10-15 more minutes. I'm gonna whip up some mashed potatoes and green beans because I have those in the fridge from another meal and I just want to get rid of it before I open the fresh produce. I'm gonna get the kids in the shower. I think I'm gonna do that so that they are nice and fresh and ready for dinner so that they can brush their teeth and we can kind of have like a family movie night. It's very hot. It's 114 degrees right now outside at 5 o'clock. So we will not be playing outside in the evening today like we normally do. We usually go for bike rides, scooter rides, walk around the block, swim in the pool for a little bit, or go to the park, but it is way too hot today. So we're gonna concentrate on staying safe and out of the sun, eating dinner, and just spending time watching a movie tonight. I wanna thank you guys so much for following me on this day in the life. I'm gonna be doing another one tomorrow. So if you like these type of videos, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Subscribing is free, so go ahead and subscribe so you get notified when my next video goes live. Bye guys. Hey Lily girl.
Hi.
Yummy, let me get you a fork.